Hello guys.
She also has her own YouTube channel, so she said, "Hello guys, welcome back to my
Channel.
yeah." We're making meaty, cheesy, meaty. Yeah, with lots of cheese.
Look at cheese.
Yeah. Sorry. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making wraps with cheese and ham. I'm using this
Ham.
yeah, that's ham, wafer thin honey roast ham, and I'm using this one as well, this ham as well. So let's get started. Oh, thank you.
Good girl.
Yeah, good girl.
You're so happy.
Yeah, Chikamso is helping mommy. So let's slice it.
Let's slice it.
Yeah, just hold on. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's amazing. Good job. So Chikamso is making wraps.
Yeah. Hello guys.
She also has her own YouTube channel, so she said, "Hello guys, welcome back to my
Channel.
yeah."
6.
Oh, she's counting.
Counting.
Let me set up the camera properly. Wow. So what do we do next?
1.
Oh, you're still counting. She's making wraps for herself. She likes ham and she likes cheese. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me give you some space. Wow.
1.
Okay, Chikamso, go and get your stepping stool, okay? So you can step on it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, go and get your stepping stool. Good job. She's back with her stepping stool. Okay, we need to move it closer a bit, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we do next? She wants to open it. Chikamso is busy in the kitchen. You need to open it properly. Ooh, she wants to open the ham. Wow. That's amazing. Good job. But I need to help you, okay? Yeah, mommy needs to help you. Did you eat the cheese?
Yeah.
Why did you eat the cheese? If you finish the cheese, what are we going to make? Oh, mouse like cheese. Were you a mouse?
Yeah.
No! You don't have to eat the cheese. We're making wraps. Careful. Okay, lay the cheese properly. Then we're going to add the ham.
Ham.
Yes. Put some ham. Good job. Good job.
1.
How many do you want to put? Huh? Oh, that's a lot. Ooh, that's enough. That's enough. We'll have to keep this one for tomorrow, okay?
3.
Good job. That's amazing. Okay, so we have another ham. It's over here. We're going to add this one, the one you opened here. Put it on it. Then put the other one there. Yes, good job. Woo! She's so excited.
He's so excited.
Okay, let's roll it up. Should I help you?
No.
So we're going to roll it like this, Chichi. No, hold on, like this. Yeah.
Yes.
No, this one. Hold this one. Yeah, roll it like this. Good job. And this. Oh my God, this amazing wrap made by Chikamso. She's 2 years old. Chichi, how old are you? Chicken soup is sad because she didn't roll it up. Okay, roll it up. Roll this one. Take it. Wow. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Now she's happy. So how old are you?
How old are you?
No, I didn't say you should repeat what I said. How old are you?
How old are you?
Let me see. How old are you? 2. Chica so it's 2 years.
Oh.
Ooh. Okay, we're going to put it in the grill now. Teacher, I'll have to do that for you, okay? The grill is very hot. Yeah? So let's put it in the grill. No, it's hot. Careful. Woo!
Good go.
Oh my god. Anyway, it's not that hot yet. That's why you're able to. Good job, chicken soup. Let's put it this way. Wow. Close it and wait, okay? Yeah. Chicken soup. Oh, sorry.
I'm singing.
Oh, no singing. We are waiting for the food. No singing. Okay.
She's waiting.
Yeah, we're waiting. Chicken soup say we're waiting. Chicken soup is waiting. We have to wait for 3 minutes. Yeah? Let's count 1 to 20 while we're waiting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, we're counting 1 to 20, not 1 to 4.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Guys, it's ready.
That is ready.
This don't touch, it's very hot. It's hot, super hot.
I need to put the gloves.
You want to put gloves?
Yeah.
Even with the gloves, it will still be hot. Let me split it in half, okay? Chicken soup made some wraps. Wow. Yummy, yummy. Look at that. You like it?
Yeah.
Why are you sad? No, I can't give you the knife to split it yourself. Toddlers, oh my god, everything makes them angry. Oh, sorry, you have to be sad, okay? For this, you have to be sad. Sadness is permitted. It's allowed. Do you want some?
No.
Why? Let me eat all of it then. You want some?
Yeah.
Naughty chicken soup.
Not the kickers.
Yes. Have this. Oh. Have this one. It's a bit cooled down now. Okay, take a bite.
Yum, yum.
Yummy, yummy.
Yum, yum. Yum.
That's for you. Then that's for mommy. Can I have mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cooled down now. So let's have a taste. Thank you. Yummy, yummy. You come to make this. High five. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe. Bye. Give me the thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Yes, she said give me the thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
You too.
Hello.
Hello.
Yummy, yummy. You like it?
You want more?
Yeah, mine is finished. I want more.
Oh.